guys, my name is Barnes and today we are going to learn how to do a tail stall. So you learn how to rock the fakie, or you want to do another trick on the other side. The easiest one is to learn the tail stall. So it's basically a reverse drop in. You just have to shift your weight to your back foot. So when you're going up the ramp with just enough speed to reach the coping, you have to extend your knee at the back foot and bend your knees with your front foot, and at the same time shift your weight to your back foot. After that, you just have to practice the timing. When you are just about to reach the coping with the tail, you have to extend your back foot, shift your weight, and there you go. You learn how to do a tail stall. Now the only thing you need to do is find the closest ramp to you and practice, practice and practice. Go skate and have fun.